Hello, Raider Nation. At this time, I'd like to show you how to access our sports website. First, type in www.midwestcentral.org. It will take us to our unit office website. From there, we will select schools and high school. When the high school website opens, select menus and athletics. This will take you to our athletic website we started using around Christmas of last year. In this website, you can view schedules and calendars and various different things. I will show you now a quick way to look at a schedule. Select athletics, we'll select baseball. Comes up, select schedule. And this was this year's baseball schedule. If next year's schedules are ready to be viewed, you can select next year's schedules. And this is the tentative schedules for next year. Please remember that schedules can be changed due to weather and other situations. In this website, you can also see a monthly view of calendar, or you can break it down to a daily view of the calendar. Again, this is just a quick tutorial on how to access and view our website.